需要. You'll hear this in business, news, and marketing when people talk about sales and market trends. 需要. ビジネスやニュース、マーケティングで売れ行きや市場の動きを話すときによく出てくるよ。It is used as a noun. 需要 literally talks about how many people want to buy something or how necessary something is. 買いたい人の量や必要さを表す名詞だよ。経済の話でとてもよく使うよ。英語。Demand for electricity increases in the summer. 夏は電力の需要が増えます。夏は電力の需要が増えます。We forecast demand. 私たちは需要を予測します。私たちは需要を予測します。The company will increase production to meet demand. 会社は需要に合わせて生産を増やします。会社は需要に合わせて生産を増やします。The most common synonyms of the word are needs and 必要. Needs is casual and used in marketing, while 必要 is a general word for necessity. Both overlap with 需要 when talking about what people want or require. The most common antonym of the word is 供給. 需要 is about what people want to buy, while 供給 is about what producers provide.